Requesting with the bagger, customer service, service request, bagger, customer service.
Okay, that means mommy have 15 sardines inside the cans. 15 sardines. Cheese cacao.
Mamimili, ingatan mabuti ang inyong mga mahalagang bagay tulad ng wallet, cellphone at bag. Consider shoppers, please.
Lagay mo, Daddy. Ano naman yun?
Hindi nga, isang gano'n.
Yan ang design ba?
Dedication lang.
Want to get your shoppers, please do take care of your personal belongings, such as your cell phone, bags, and wallet. Thank you for your shopping.
For me and the stuff that I'm gonna buy, I am...
Ano po?
Congratulations for one size personal with us.
Ano po, mommy, try mommy, Kasi po dahil
Okay. Oo nga, okay.
Mahal ba nito?
Yun lang. Okay na. Okay. Okay.
sugar tacos, please. So, lagi ko mag-discount ka sa everything.
Ah, 31.
Kasi ano, lagi ko na mga filters doon. Tapos,
Wallet, cellphones at bag. Huwag ilagay sa shopping cart sa walang nagbabantay. Maraming salamat. All duty baggers, sa B-cart lanes, please. Bagger Yangko, lane 9, please. Station, please. Supplies bagger S4, boxing station off. Your personal belongings, especially cell phones, bags, and wallets.
Hindi ginawa.
Oo.
Gusto mo?
Ito na lang.
I literally put food. Cheese tuto.
Introducing ads and promo merchandiser, ads and promo SC, customer service deals. Introducing ads and promo SC, customer service, AGCPS.
Nalala po ko, Daddy. Hindi pero...
Masarap yun ito sa leto. Ano?
Hindi yun. Yun yung dito. Taxi ako ate.
Oh, talikod mo nga. Ah, ganun lang. Okay, magkano? 394. Sige na, balik ko na.